introduce you one Mercedes-Benz body kit for GLC 2020 New Year car. You can see this car we made do for the front bumper and the grille. It's almost the same as the original design, and this body kit is for new car. No need to change headlight, hood and fender. No need to change. Just change front bumper and the grille. Display the rear side. For the rear side, we change the rear bumper and the rear skid plate. And the rear bumper, rear skid plate, we have two kinds. This one is for the low version, and we also have another kind for high version. Different rear bumper and different rear skid plate. And this one only can change for the New Year car. Design almost the same as the original design. You can buy it freely.